In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render a ruler. Create a cube and scale it to match the reference image. Press Ctrl A to reset scale. Press Ctrl B to bevel, and use the mouse wheel to add more segments. Please remember to check the mesh after beveling, and if you notice an issue like this, try again. Hide the reference image, and go to the top viewport by pressing numpad 7. Press Tab to go to edit mode and select the top face. Press U and UV project from view. Press this icon to see the active selection. We can invert the selection to scale and move the rest of the UVs aside. Before exporting UV, please remember to press A to select all UV islands. Open the exported UV layout image in image editing software. Copy and paste the reference image over the top face UV and fill the rest with matching color. We can go to Shading tab in Blender and import the saved UV image file. We can always go to the UV editing tab and manually resize the UV to correct any mistakes. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. Auto Smooth, to correct the surface issue. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe, if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.